Hello guys, welcome to Pips and Portfolios. Today I bring to you another exciting video. As you know already, I always got the gist. Right, so I already brought to you 5K instant funded account for free, which most people were able to claim, and some of them have already passed and rich withdrawal and all of that. I also brought you $1 for $1,000 funded instant funded account, which many people were also able to claim. Today I bring to you how to trade TradingView for free, how to actually backtest TradingView for free without paying $1. All right, I know you know that TradingView has different payment plans. If you want to have that backtesting, that ability to replay, go back in time, backtest and all of that, you need to pay. But today, I'm teaching you how to get it for free, get the platform, backtest, and do everything for free, test the strategy and all of that. Now, before we continue, if you know that you've not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, kindly do. And also, I teach liquidity as well. So if you want to learn how to trade liquidity, or if you're a struggling trader, you can learn from my channel. So make sure to please support me by subscribing, like, share this video so that others can also see. All right, so let's get into it. So basically, this is FX Play. This is the site I'll use. Now, the link to this site would be in the description, so you can check it out from there. All right, so first of all, what you have to do is you have to register. Of course, I've already registered, and as you can see, we have dashboard, we have session, journal, and all of that, analytics and all of that. All right, so with this, you can actually backtest, go back, look at previous data, and then try and then backtest it. You can even take trades like it's a live market. And as you can see, analytics here, after you've taken all your trades or during the backtesting range or session that you pick, after you are done, it will give you all the analytics about it, the win rate, the losses, the wins, the average win, average loss, all of those things. So let's just get into it. All right, so first of all you do is you come to sessions, because that's what you're going to use, and then you go to new session, click on the new session button. Now the name of your session, you can name it anything. Let's name it liquidity, yeah, liquidity session. All right, account balance, let's leave it here. Assets, that's the type of pair you want to backtest. So I'm going to use GBP card. All right, then select chart layouts and initial dates. When are we going to backtest? Let me see. We're going to start from, okay, I already know, I guess. So let me use July, somewhere in July. Let me see. Okay. Let me leave it from Monday. Yeah, and then end it on July. That was July. That's the last week in July. That'll be Thursday. All right, so create session. All right. Okay, so they should load in a few seconds. The chart should load and you should be able to see the chart right about now. All right. Okay, so don't forget you have up to 50 trades per month. So it means that if you want to, let's say, take the trades and make it look like it's a real thing, you have up to 50 trades in a month. So yeah, that's the limit. But of course, they have a paid plan where you can do that. But we want the free version. So you can actually just, do your back testing without having to place the trade or whatever. Anyway, but if you want that, then yeah, you have up to 50 trades in a month. So yeah, so this is Monday, start from Monday, as you can see. So it means Monday has already almost ended. This is a 1 minute. Let me go to the 15 minutes. All right, that's the time frame that I normally use. So we're gonna backtest a simple liquidity strategy with this Monday. We could have even gotten a trade on Monday, but anyway, that's fine. So this is the tool. This is what you use to control. You see 15 minutes. You can let's just press the play button and see. As you can see, yeah, it's moving. So if you want it fast, you can just, yeah. And again, you can see here 15 minutes, 1 minute, 10 minutes. This is if maybe you want the candles to print like an hourly candle or maybe 30 minutes by 30 minutes. Look at the same thing. You see now it's going faster. Yeah. So number of candles you want to print per tick. That's what you select. Let's use 15 minutes because I'm on the 15 minute. But today is Tuesday. Let me see if I had any trade. Okay. All right. Let me go to the 5 minutes and then check this out. So basically, what do I trade? For me, let me look for the brush. All right, basically, I trade simple structure. You have something like this. People are looking to buy from here. I know their stop losses are here. So what I wait for price to do is price to come, read those liquidities, take out those stops. And that's when I look for my confirmation entry to continue. This is for a continuation trade. Let's say for a reversal, let's say we have a change of character like this. I know people are looking to sell from here to continue to, I know their stop losses are just above, so I'll wait for price to take them out if I continue. All right, so this is a simple liquidity model, and we are going to use that to test for the sake of all right, so let me just clean this out. All right, so this is Tuesday, so I'm gonna check on the 5 minute and see, let it run live. All right, pause. So on the 15 minutes, what do I see? Sorry, on the 5 minutes, actually. I see a break of structure right here, another break of structure right here. So I know that if people are looking to probably sell from here, they'll have their stop losses just above this level. So let's see. Okay. Price came into the level. All right. What we are looking for is for price to take this level out, right? Go above, because the stop losses are above this level. So let me just play it slowly. All right. So next candle. Okay. So I think once I get this is my confirmation. Now, if you don't know how I take my trades, or if you don't know what kind of confirmations that I use, I have a whole video that I've taught what kind of confirmations and all of this. So once I get my confirmation like this, now I can let's say contract one lot. This is what I put. So we are selling, so I'll put a sell order. Just click on it, as you can see. Now I click on the order, and now I can put my stop loss. Stop loss 1 point, let me put it at 1.83786, 1.83786. I'm not good with numbers, so pardon me. Take profits. Let's see, I'll put it somewhere here, which is 1.83422, 1.83422, and 10 pips for 26 pips. That's like 2 points. Let's say 2.3 pips, 2.3 hours. Sorry. Yeah, that's okay. Save. And that's it. As you can see, it displays it. So now I can just play the trade. All right. And as you can see, it's running. You can see it's your unrealized PNL. It's running here. Everything is running here. So yeah. So let's just, and boom. That's just, as you can see, I've hit my TP nicely, and it's continued going down. Check the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, as you can see, we have this sort of change of character here. You know, we have sort of this internal liquidity. Check it out. Let's see. Just look at what price does. All right. So here I have my confirmation. Again, as I said, if you don't know how I trade, you can just watch my video on that. Then I put a buy order here. Click on it. Click on it. All right. So stop loss, it's important to put stop loss on your trade. So that'll be 1.8313, 1.8313. All right. Take profits. You can target this high, 1.83742. 742. 742. All right, save. So now I just have to play it. Just increase it a little bit. All right. So as you can see, and that was it. So yeah, this is a simple liquidity strategy, nothing too complicated. So if you want to learn how I trade, you can check it in my channel. So as you can see, everything has been here. So let's say that I want to, this is enough. This is a Tuesday. Okay, let's see, Wednesday on the 30th, if we had anything. Let me go back to the 5 minutes. Yeah, I realized that so many trades on the 5 minutes. So yeah. Again, we're still looking at the same thing over and over, looking at structure. Okay. All right. So as you can see again, we have a shift or change of character, whatever that is. So I'm looking at, I know that people are looking to sell, their stop loss is just below. So this is a logical thing that I know people will do. So I can just wait. Yeah. So we have a swing point. Again, you can find my tutorials. I have a video where I teach all of these things. So I'm going to put a sell order here since I have my stop loss. I'll put it just above this candle. So 1.84504, 1.84504, and take profit. I'm gonna put it here, just to be safe somewhere here. I want at least 2 hours. So 1.84169, 1.84169. That's 27 pips. So that's like 2 points, let's say 2.7 hour. Yeah, that's okay. Save. As you can see. Oh, where's the TP? Did I make a mistake? Let me just check it again. 1.81, 1.84, sorry. Okay, save. All right, yeah. So let me just use the two. You can know that you have all these tools here. So have it here. I can then put it on it just to measure 11 pips, sort of. All right. Okay, so let me play it and see. All right, okay. Yeah. So as you can see, so yeah, and that was it for you on Wednesday. I think that ends the trading day. That was on the 30th on Wednesday. Yeah. Put it on 15 minutes. Okay, now we are done. So we are done with it. So yes, you can see how we backtest. You can place trade and all. Let's show me analytics. Once you are done with your trading session, you can watch the analytics. It will give you the full data. So as you can see, here's everything that I need to know about it. Profit and loss, total P&L 675 accounts. 100% win rate, 3 trades, break even. It gives you everything. Balance where you started from. It gives you the whole thing, right? All right, so you can see winners and losses, total win 3, best win 0.32, average win. It gives you the whole thing, total trades. Like you get a whole full analytics, win rates. There was during New York, most of them was during New York, you get everything here. So it's amazing. So yeah, basically, to unlock more than that, now you have to upgrade. That's where you have to pay. Yeah, but at least even the few stuff that we have to ourselves, we can use it is enough. Yeah, basically, even this data is enough. Win rate, you can see your win rate 100%. You can see your total trades, the buy and sell, everything, performance per time and everything. So yeah, it's okay. So basically, this is FX Replay. As I said, the link to this platform will be in the description, and then you can use it to test your system on any given month that you want to, any given year, or yeah, for free without having to pay anything. So if you like this video, make sure to like. If you love this video, make sure to subscribe, because I need your support, right? And I'll be bringing you more videos like these, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right. Have a nice, lovely day, evening, afternoon, wherever you are.